there are some people saying that not everyone is happy with the reshuffling, especially the ones who have made way for the new ministers. So what do you have to say about that, sir?
See, I think this is not the only reshuffling happened today. In fact, the reshuffling takes place every now and then, and number two, everywhere. I think in India. So it's not a new thing. See, I think prior to the reshuffling that has taken place recently, I've already told you we leave it to the wisdom of CM, because this is the prerogative of CM as far as our party NPP is concerned. But as far as our partners is concerned, again, we leave it to the wisdom of the party, which one they want to drop, which one they want to induct, or which one they want to make ministers. So we have nothing to say. So it happened, and I think you have seen it. So yes, of course, those who ultimately became a victim of the reshuffling, we do have that sad and bad feeling. That is always there. But I am sure whatever decision taken, be it by the party or be it by the chief minister, it will be for the benefit of the state as well.
So there's also been a demand by a few sectors that it's time that a Khasi or Kyntait chief minister should be in place. How do you react to that?
See, I don't have to react anything on this, because see, why should we communalize things? I think we should not talk about it. Not at all. Let our people also understand. If you say yes, you're bringing in chief minister maybe from West Bengal, or maybe from Bangladesh, or maybe from Assam, yes, I'm also deadly against it. But as long as we are in Meghalaya, MLA of Meghalaya, I don't mind who's this chief minister. But what I wanted is to make sure that the development and the interest of the state is intact.
Personally, do you wish to be the chief minister?
No, I don't. It's a political party. I used to call it NPP family. We are one. The question of differences, infighting, or murmuring does not rise within the NPP party. Unlike other parties, I remember when I was in Congress, you cannot even sleep when a lot of infighting takes place.